So once we go into our website, this is the URL shoppnn.com with double P and double N, and the website contains the details of what are the offerings and services, like you can launch instantly. You can go through the website. There are details and comparison with different websites. So we have themes around here. The first theme is for fashion, second is for vegetables selling, third is for cycles selling. So we constantly increase the number of themes in our website, so you can choose any of the themes. And it's not like once you choose a theme for fashion, you have to sell for fashion only. You can sell any product or services from any single theme. The only difference between these three themes, if I can say, is the first and the third theme supports variants, and the vegetable theme doesn't support variant. That's only difference. Else you can sell each and every product or services through any of the three themes. So you can just click on that theme and you'll be redirected to the preview of that theme, so you can just view the whole website, how it looks. So this is what your shop will look once you register as a user and your shop is live. So these are the products that you will have in this theme by default, and you can always delete all the products and start from scratch, or you can edit these products. There are other themes like vegetable theme. So when you go to vegetable theme, you will get the idea of how your theme would look if you go through the vegetable one. And the third one is cycles theme, so you can see how this theme looks like. So there are cycles here. You can these have variants. You can see there are two variants here with different prices of the variant, but these two don't have variants. So you can have a mix of products with or without variants. Checking out the workflow, like I can add to cart. We have view cart, checkout, continue shopping, all these options. You can like this product, successfully add it to your wish list. Then again, we can have preview of the product here if we don't wanna check that product in detail, but if we can always click on that product to check the detail or view detail. And we can compare this product to compare list, so that like if I choose these two products, I'll add them to compare list. I can compare those two products. So you can see we have cart here. You can view cart and do stuff. You can go again. Much about themes. Now we'll go to our pricing. Shop is also available free. You can get started for free by clicking here and get around 10 monthly orders with 50 maximum products. Similarly, you can take the plan of basic, which is $9.99 per month, and you can have a domain of shopping like yourshop.shoppnn.com or something. Like if your shop name is XYZ, so xyz.shoppnn.com. So you will have that domain in this particular plan. You cannot link your own domain in this plan, so for that you will need this plan, that is the standard plan. And here you can link your own domain like abc.com. You have yourshop.com, so yourshop.com can be linked and used with this Shoppnn product with your vendor login. Okay, so again, you have a premium option where we'll have support. Well, you'll get support to link your domain, and you'll also get call support. You will also get store handling support. So if you send the photographs and stuff, so your store could be set up by shoppnn.com members themselves, so you will get support for handling the store, and that's great. The most selling is the standard option, so I'm gonna sign up through this now. Before I sign up, I would like to show you the contact stuff. So you can always contact shoppnn.com if you want to ask something. You can send a message from here. That being said and done, let's go and sign up. You will log in with your username and password, so you need to remember that. And this is just a captcha that you can refresh and you can give your own email address. The updates will be sent to this email address. So if somebody purchases anything from your shop, updates will go to this particular email address. I'm signing up. This you will be redirected only if you have taken a paid plan. If you have taken a free plan, you need not fill this particular step. You will directly go to the dashboard. Now let me tell you one thing. If you will choose a different country, in the next payment step, this amount will be based on that country. So the payment gateway will show you the currency of that particular country if it is available. If it is not available, then the payment gateway will ask you to pay in USD. We are going to show you through INR. I'll proceed to the next step. When I go to the next step, I'll be shown the payment amount INR because I have selected country as India, so it will be INR. So just to show you the payment stuff, I'll take another country here. So when I proceed, I can see that the payment amount is in USD. So this includes the conversion charges and extra payment that needs to be done for the payment gateway and for the conversions. So now you can pay in USD also. So if you select any other country, then the currency for that country will be shown if it is available. If that currency is not available in the system, then it will default to USD. So by default, you will pay through United States dollar if that country's currency is not available. So I'll just make a demo payment in order to show you. Let me change the amount for the demo payment. So I'll click on make payment. I'll try to pay through card, or let's say I'll try to pay through UPI. I will scan this. Let me just open up my payment. I am redirected to the domain page. Since I had taken the standard plan, I have two options. I can have my own domain, yourdomain.com, or I can have a shoppnn.com domain. You can go ahead once you add your domain here. In the next step, so I'll select this, go to the next page. So here you will be shown an IP. So you have to update this IP in your domain panel. So from wherever you have purchased your domain name, you have to go to that vendor's admin panel and you have to add this IP address in their DNS records of your domain name. After adding it, it may take up to 76 hours for that domain name IP address to be updated with your service provider. So by that time, you can check the domain status whether that DNS propagation has completed or not. So you click here to check the domain status. You see it's showing me that the domain record is this particular domain name, myshop.com. The domain A record is this 113 something. So it's not updated yet. And since I have used a random domain, I can't update this as well. But once it is updated, this button will change to proceed rather than check domain status, and then you can proceed further. Let's go back. For the sake of this demonstration, let's say my shop name is my shop. So myshop.shoppnn.com. I'll take this domain and I'll click on go. So once I have selected the domain, then I'll select the theme. So these are the 3 themes available right now. The theme list will go on increasing, so you can see n number of themes by the time you are seeing or watching this video. So you need to select any one of the theme. You can always click on this theme and theme will be opening up in the new tab, and if you're satisfied, then you could get that theme. I'll just select this theme, click on this button. So once I click on this button, we are done. Okay, so our shop is live and we are seeing the dashboard. We have total 30 products. These we can obviously delete now and add new products. And since we have no orders, everything here is nil. There are no graphs and nothing right now because it's just started. So you go and click on home. This is Jayesh Madhav, that's the name I have given. So when you go home, you will be shown your shop URL. This is your shop URL. Once you click on this URL, you'll see that your shop is already live. So it's that easy. Once you're registered, your shop.shoppnn.com or whatever be your domain name, it's live, and all of these demo products are already available. Anyone can come and buy these products also. So you need to edit these products now. So, and it has HTTPS also, so you're good to go. So that's cool. So these are the plan details. You're on standard plan. So I'm on standard plan right now, and I have 0 out of 100 orders. So I can renew, which I should renew before the validity. This validity is of 1 month.
Once my validity is over, I may not be able to see the extra orders I'm receiving on my shop. It's recommended to renew on time.
Check the second box, which is yearly renewal. So your active plan is standard and monthly amount is this, whatever is at that point of time. And you can renew for 1 year or more number of years. So accordingly, for 1 year you will be charged this much amount, and if you select 2 years you'll be charged this much amount, and you can click on renew. And similarly, you can go through the payment gateway and get your yearly renewal done for the whole year. Next, if you want to upgrade your plan, like we had standard plan, so the higher plan would be showing in the box here. So you can click here and upgrade your plan as well to avail all the benefits. So to my shop and log in and make some orders. I've already signed up a user, so let me do that in order to make some orders. And so I'll just go down, I'll add this to cart. Okay, I'll add another item to cart, and let's say I'll change my currency to USD also. Very nice. And then I'll add another item to cart. Let's say I'll go in here and I'll take a different variant and I'll add to cart. It's cool. I'll go to checkout, choose online payment gateway. Since I have integrated online payment gateway in the admin section, I'll show that to you later. So place order. So here, this is the order amount, 86 USD. Since my shop is available for international transactions, I'll use it. So I'll pay through USD. Once my payment is confirmed after processing, I'll be redirected back to my shop, and that's great. Similarly, I can continue shopping or go to my dashboard and see my orders here. I can see that I have made 4 orders till now, so I can now go and cancel the order also within 12 hours of placing it, or before the order is processed by the seller. The seller is me right now. So now I have logged into my dashboard. So you can see that I have got earnings of 12,835 rupees. I have got 1 registered customers, and these are the orders that I have received when I paid all by online mode. Here you can see my income versus expense, and then I have few graphs here to show. This is for October. Since I don't have any graphs for any sales for August, September, I don't see them, but if I had, then I would have seen those graphs. And this is sales by locations, order by location. So these graphs will be populated. Now, one of the thing that I want to show you is this market value has your revenue as well as net profit. How is it that derived? For that, you can add expenses. I'll add expenses in the month of October. Let's say I have an expenditure of 5,000 INR, let's say, and I'll submit that. Amount has been added successfully. So now if I go to my dashboard, I can see that my net profit is 7,835 because it has been decreased due to the expenditures in October. So this is my income, 12,835, and my net profit is 7,835 after deducting all the necessary expenditures, so that's how you can use this graph. Now you can go to view all orders here, or you can also click on the left side here to go to all orders, and here you can see for the year 2024 I've got this many orders, and this is the latest order. Since this order I have received in USD, my base currency is INR, so I am being shown this particular amount. You can change all those base currencies in settings that I'll also show you shortly. And also there are SMTP settings if in order to send mail to your customers, if you want to send mails. So once you have received these orders, you can choose the action here, and you can go to that order page and check out the details. So this is payment, the status is paid. You can change the order status from here, write any updates here. This updates will be sent to this customer through mail if you have configured SMTP. They can also see this in their dashboard. This is the detail of the customer. These are the products that they have ordered, and the customer had ordered in USD, and this is the INR equivalent of that for now. So here, let's say on the way, and you can say order. Once you save this, order status has been updated successfully. You can see the same will be visible to your customer. Let's go forward. So here you have products, and here you have erase/delete all. So you could always erase all the products, all these demo products, all of them will be gone, and you could add each and every product individually through this menu of add product. Have the option of add new product, home product. But let's check this products menu right now. I have stock 5. I can make it 6 or 7, and I click outside, and you can see that the stock here is updated. So it's just as easy as that, because these are all the variants of that products. Small yellow, small white. So these are all the variants of single product till 7, and here from 8 this is a different product. So if you want to change the variants easily, so you can do that quickly from here. Like say I will change the price to 2600 here, then discount to 50% here. That's cool. So these are all updated. So there's an I button to view that product, and then this is to edit that product. So if I view that product, so when I click on yellow and small, I can see that the price has been updated to 2600, and the discount is 50% off. So that's great. Okay, let me tell you one thing. You can erase all the products, but you have to do this within 30 days of your registration. Once erased, or if 30 days has been passed, this option will be removed for your own safety. I'll just check in another product, let's say this one, and I'll click on edit. So here I can edit all the details of the products, like category I can change the collections, I can add this to bestsellers also, I can remove the tags and all the details, new product or not. This is the icon that is being shown here in home. If you go, this is a new button showing here, so new icon showing here. So that's because of this new product. You have type. So this is for the filter option. When somebody goes to your website and clicks on products, so when I click on product, all of these products are available in this website, right? So when I go and click on type, we have all products and we have fashion. So this fashion is particular filter from here. So I can have other filter, other text here, and those will be appearing as filters in your product page here. There are other filters, obviously the brand name, the color, size, based upon the variants that you have added and based upon the theme that you're using right now. So we have product video, we have product details that we can edit from here, and we can save all those stuff from here. We can add variants, we can change the stock details, like here make it 6 to 7 and like make this to be 3000. But let me tell you one thing, when you make those changes, let's say I keep this on sale with discount purchase as 20. So I've done all this and I have to click on save button here because I'm editing everything for that variant, and here we have edit and delete button for that particular variant. So if I click on save button, so if I click on save button, variant updated successfully, and we have delete button. So save and delete button is available for variant, and we can add new variant also if required, or you can go back. And then we have the photos here. You can obviously add photos. So you can add photos and you can save, or you can delete the product from here. So that's cool. That's all about product. You can add the product. When you click on add new here, you will get that same screen to add the product. And then after adding the product, if has a variant, then you will add variant in the next screen. You'll just add product details here because variant details can be added in the next screen. And if it doesn't have a variant, you can directly add the pricing detail for that particular product here. We can add product in two ways. Add new product by writing everything from the fresh, or you can clone an existing product and then edit it. Like if we go to this clone product, and if we select any of this particular product and duplicate this item, then we'll be making a new product. Let's say I want to duplicate some item. Let's say I'll duplicate this. So you have to wait for some time while your product is being cloned. So once it is cloned, you will be shown this message: product cloned successfully, please edit and update. So this is the cloned product. Okay, and all the photos and all the stuff are already here, variants are already here. You can say cloned, let me rename this as cloned floral dress, and you can save it. So I have edited this product details updated successfully, and now I can go to the products menu, and then let me go to the last, and I can check. So I can check, this is the clone floral dress, it's already edited and now available. All these variants are available for editing. Okay, so that's cool. You can have this, you can again edit it if you want to edit something. So this is all about product. And then we have website, and we have website design. We can update designs, the shop logo we can update the slider banners. It will be updated directly. Once you click here, you can just browse and update. I'll write welcome 2 times. Let's see. So now you need to refresh your website, or anyone visiting your website would be seeing something else. Let me go to home. So you see welcome to fashion. Now it's welcome 2 times because I have updated it. So you can change this photo also. You can change the text. Similarly, you can change other things like collection banner also. This is about men's and women. You can make it about anything, and it will be redirecting to your product section. So this is about that. And you have midsection banner also. This is the midsection banner, and this is the text over that. Let's make it 2025. Shop again and check out, and you can see it's updated as well. You can update again. You have video showcase, which are these videos in the home screen. You can always add YouTube links and change those videos for your own products. You can go to Instagram posters and add the poster of Instagram influencers that you want to add. You can add a link to their Instagram URL, and people can click on the Instagram photo here and go to their own URL. Right now it's nothing, there's no URL, but you can add the URL so that users can visit their own profile also. It's up to you. So this is about Instagram. Then we have partner posters. So these are the posters that you can change, and you can add their URL also if you want. So partners, these are the partners. These logos are below Instagram, so you can change these from here. And then we have all products photo page. You can change this photo also through change photo. Where is it actually? So let me show you. This is the all products menu from here, and on the left hand side, if you scroll down, you will see this photo. So this is the banner. This can be changed from here, all products banner /photo. So this is one thing. And then products chart. So this is the chart by default. You can change the size chart for your shop. The shop will have only one size chart, so you can add all the size charts in that particular image. Let me just show you where it is in your shop. I'll click on this, let's say this, and here on the right you can see size chart. So if you click on that size chart, this is the image that will be visible, that you can update from your admin section. So this is about size chart, and that's cool. So these are all the designs that you can update. Then after designs, we have website pages. If you click on that, there are just about us, contact us, and policies. These can also be updated. If you can click in about us, and you can write about your shop. So you go to the shop and click on about us, and you will see all the update that you have written here. So you can write anything about your shop here. And if you go to the second option, that is contact us, there are 2 sections here. First is the store information here, and second is the contact page. Store information is the footer of your shop. Like, let's see, this is the footer. So this information can be changed from here. You can click on show name, website name on header. This is the website name, demo shop, that I have given. If I somehow change all the details and then switch it to on, and then click on save, so store info is saved. And now if I go to my website and I refresh it, look, here we have got my name, Shoppnn demo shop, beside the logo. So if I go to home page, it looks like this. So if you want to show your shop name besides your logo, then you can show that. But some of the shops do have the shop name in their logo itself, so they need not show the shop name along with the logo. For them, you can hide. You should not show the shop name. So if you refresh, the shop name will be gone and the logo will be there, and the logo would contain both your shop logo and the name as well. It depends upon you. Then again, we have contact page here. We can update these details. So your shop has a contact page. Let's go to your shop and click on the contact. Click on the contact here, and now you can see a map and your contact details, and people coming to your shop can contact through this contact us form as well. So these details can be updated from here. You can add this Google Maps. Remember to copy only the src part of the Google embed code of your map, so that you can always get from Google. And these are the details that you can update for your shop. So great. So website pages has again another point, which is policies. So we have 4 policies here: shipping, return. So you select any one of the policy, and then you can edit this and you can save this, and that will be updated in your policies. So in your shop, when you go to the footer, there are 4 policies here. If you click on those particular policy, you will go to that particular policy. Like shipping policy, this is the text. Similarly for privacy policy, this is the text. So these will be updated from here. So currently we have some demo text, so you can always update the text from your side. So this is about website pages. All links would be coming here soon. Whatever information that we will be adding or your themes will be having would be coming here for update. Then let's go to website modules. So right now it's just social data. It may be more later. If I click on social data, I can add the Facebook URL and Instagram URL and all the URLs, and then detail about this shop, and it will be available on the. So this is the footer. So here are the links: Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, Instagram, and these links can be added from here. So these are the 5 links. Currently there are no links, but you can add 5 links from here, and you can select from the list of the links and add it. Then the brief here, whatever brief you will write will be available here. Since I have not written anything, it's the default text that is showing in here. So the details are available here as well. So this is what you can see on website modules. Let's go to leads. In leads, we have contact us and newsletter. So basically anyone contacting you through contact us page, you can see the details here, and anybody who's joining your shop's newsletter, you can see the newsletter here. So basically let's go in to my shop. Let's say somebody like you customer @ something. Let's say I'll go subscribe. Okay, sorry, at gmail.com. Okay, so I'll subscribe. I'll get a question to which I'll answer. This is for security, else you will be bombarded with bots. Okay, so you'll verify, and then you have been successfully subscribed. You go to your shop website leads here, and then go to the newsletter, and you can see that email whoever subscribed. Let's go to contact of my shop. Let's say what you can see now is you will go to your login and you will click on contact us, and then you can see the details that has been submitted. You have a WhatsApp icon here in your website also. If you click on that, WhatsApp will open up, and your customer can directly chat with your number. You can continue to chat. So this number is basically your WhatsApp number that you have added in your contact us here. This is the WhatsApp number. You can go to payment settings. By default, cash on delivery and local pickup is enabled for your websites. You need to enable online payment. So right now, if you click on here, then you can select the payment gateway. Payment gateways are updated as and when they are integrated with Shoppnn.com. Right now there's Razorpay, so we can add this gateway ID and secret code here and save it so that we can receive online payment. Be sure that your payment gateway has been activated for this particular domain name that you are using for your shop. In my case, myshop.shoppnn.com. So in your case, maybe directly myshop.com or different domain that you have. So that domain must be activated, and you must test whether your payment is working fine or not, and then add these payment gateway details. Else your customer will see an error message during online payment, and that's not what you want to show them. If you want to get Razorpay payment gateway, Shoppnn.com will help you in getting that also, because Shoppnn.com is also a good partner of Razorpay. Next, go to currencies, and you'll see there are 4 currencies available. There might be n number of currencies by the time you are watching this video, and these are the currency current conversion rates. So currency conversion rates are updated every day, multiple times. You can use these API from Shoppnn.com. Else, what you can do, you can set up your own rates, not use this API, and set up your own rates. So by that, you will not be using rates from Shoppnn.com, mind you. So it will not be updated. You have to update it once you set your own rate. So you can click on yes, set now, and you can set all the rates here and save it. So that will be permanent conversions for your shop. So I recommend it to use the updated Shoppnn.com conversion rates, but it's again up to you. The option lies with you. You can change your shop's base currency. The base currency by default is INR, set to INR. But suppose you have opened a shop in US, so you will be changing it, right? So use yes, change now, and change your base currency to US or Euro, or if you're in England, so GBP. So you can click here and change your base currency. In that case, all your shop's transaction will be shown in dollar. I'll click on cancel. Let me say you that whatever currency list is available shown here, only those will be shown here for changing as base currency. Also, I can remove, let's say, 2 currencies from here. Let's say I'll just first see my shop. Let's go to my shop. Here you can see there are 4 currencies listed. If I can see the price also, so here it's rupee, so here it's INR. So my customer can also pay me in USD. If you click in USD, you see the price changes in USD. My customer can also pay in euro. So you can see it's updated in euro. The price will be updated as per your currency conversion managed, and in GBP it's something like that. So mind you, if you want to have international transaction enabled, you need to update your Razorpay account to enable international transaction also. That we can help as well. So these are 4 items, right? So if I remove 2 items from my admin, I'll say save shop currencies updated successfully. So if now I'll go here and I'll refresh my shop, let me now check. There are only 2 currencies, INR and USD. The rest 2 are gone because I have removed it. Okay, now if I want to change my base currency, it should be done only once, not multiple times, because then again you'll be having problems with the amounts. So there are only 2. So whatever currency you have chosen for your shop, you can change your base currencies from those particular options only. So INR and USD are the 2 options that are available. So I can change my base currency to that only. Enable these also and save, and then okay, I'm enabling these, I'm disabling these, but I cannot disable my base currency. Always remember that. So whatever is your base currency, it will not be allowed to be disabled. You can't click it here, right? So now since I have changed it, now if I'll go, all the 4 options are available. So I can change my base currency right now to any of the 4 options. I have SMTP settings in the settings. So this is email address settings, your particular email address from where you want to send the mail. Also it should allow, like Gmail is notorious, so not secure app and other stuff that they force you to do. So if you are using Gmail, be aware. And other SMTP host and port username password you can use. You can check use TLS, whether you want to use TLS or SSL. Also these options are also there. Once you have added your SMTP settings, you can actually test whether your settings are working or not. So you can give another email and test whether you are receiving that particular mail in your inbox or not. Once I signed in, I had received a mail to authenticate my email address. So let me go to my Yahoo Mail, email verification and contact us message. Email verification is this: welcome to Shoppnn platform. You need to verify your email address. So click it once. This is a one-time process. So just click it here and you will see one message that your email has been confirmed. Now you proceed to your account, and if you click on home, you will go back to home or the website. On the right hand side we have a menu bar, and this is the message right now. This may be changed later. If I click on this, I'll go full screen. So if we go and click on edit profile, I can edit my profile. Like this is the profile that I've used to sign up. So then this is for edit profile. Inbox will also take you to contact us right now. It may change later. Lock screen is something that if you don't want to log out, but if you don't want anybody else to use the screen or computer at that point of time, so you can click on lock screen and your screen will be locked. And then again you need to enter your username to unlock the screen. So your username is like my shop. So I'll unlock it and I'll come back here. So the lock screen is a good feature if you are in a mart and you're selling stuff and then you want to go away from your counter for some time, and then you can lock the screen and go away, and then you can unlock it, and that's great. Later there will be much more features. By the time you are watching this video, all of those will be self-explanatory, but these are the basics that you need to go through in order to set up your shop and start selling. Thank you everybody for watching the video. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Take care.